Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey, Jimmy. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about social media today. You know, all the good and bad things about it.
Ah, yes. Social media. A big topic, a fun topic, a complicated topic.
Exactly. It's something we all use every day without even thinking.
Good morning to everyone listening. I'm Elon.
And I'm Jemmy. Welcome back to our simple, natural English podcast, where we talk like real friends, not like textbooks.
So, Jemmy, were you on social media this morning?
Oh yes, I woke up, picked up my phone, and boom, Instagram.
Instagram is like coffee for your eyes.
Exactly. I scroll for just 2 minutes, and suddenly it's 20 minutes.
That's the magic and the danger.
Let's start simple. What is social media?
Easy. Social media is websites and apps where people connect, share photos, videos, messages, ideas.
Like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, X, Snapchat, Reddit, WhatsApp.
Exactly. Places where people share pieces of their life.
Sometimes too many pieces.
So, let's talk about the advantages of social media. Number 1, staying connected.
Yes, you can talk to friends and family anywhere in the world.
I have a cousin who lives in Japan. Without social media, I would probably talk to him once a year.
But with social media?
Every week. Funny videos, photos, voice messages. It feels like he's close.
That's the best part, connection. When I was in college, my best friend moved to another state. I was sad. But we talked every day on Facebook and video calls.
That's sweet.
Social media kept our friendship alive. Without it, I think we would have drifted apart.
Social media can save friendships. Another advantage, entertainment.
Oh, yes. Funny videos, music, dancing, cooking videos, travel clips.
Dog videos, cat videos, baby videos.
The holy trinity of happiness.
TikTok alone can make you laugh, cry, and question life all in 60 seconds. One night I thought, I'll watch 2 TikTok videos. Just 2.
Uh-oh.
Next thing I know, it's 1 a.m.
Classic.
My phone asked me, are you still watching? I was like, yes, and please don't judge me.
Social media is also great for learning.
Yes. English lessons, cooking, history, science, money tips.
I learned how to fix my sink from YouTube.
YouTube University, the best school in the world. I learned to cook from TikTok. One-day recipes, easy meals.
And did they turn out good?
Some did. Some, we don't talk about those.
Social media shows you new places, new ideas, new products.
Yes. Restaurants, hotels, clothing, travel spots.
I once found a small cafe on Instagram. I went there and loved it.
Same here. I found a hiking spot because someone posted beautiful photos.
Social media also lets people express themselves, their art, their thoughts, their voice.
Yes, and share their creativity. Photos, stories, poems, music, dance.
It gives everyone a little stage.
A mini world stage.
Okay, now the dark side, the disadvantages.
Yes, social media isn't perfect.
People compare themselves too much online.
Yes, you see someone's perfect vacation, perfect house, perfect skin,
And suddenly you feel not good enough.
but it's not real. It's highlights, the best 1% of their life.
Exactly. We compare our whole life to their best moment. One time, I saw people posting perfect morning routines. Wake up at 5 a.m., yoga, smoothie, clean room, beautiful sunlight.
That is not real life.
I looked at my real morning routine, me half asleep drinking yesterday's coffee.
And suddenly you felt bad?
Yes, but it's silly. Real life is messy.
Another disadvantage, social media can be addictive.
Yes, people scroll for hours without knowing it.
You think it's 5 minutes, but it's 50.
It steals time.
My screen time app once told me, you spent 6 hours on your phone today.
6 hours?
I felt shocked. Like, who did that? Was it me? Yes. Social media can make people feel stressed, jealous, lonely, or anxious.
Especially when you see others doing better than you.
Or when you wait for likes and comments.
Yes, you post a photo and then you check your phone every 10 seconds.
Did anyone like it? Did anyone comment?
And if no one likes it, you feel bad.
That's not healthy. Some people on social media are kind, but some are mean.
Yes, hate comments, negativity, arguments.
It can hurt. Even one bad comment can ruin your day.
Exactly.
And of course, fake news.
Oh, yes. People share things without checking.
Wrong information spreads fast.
And it confuses people.
So, Jimmy, we talked about fake news, hate comments, stress, comparison, but there are more sides to social media, right?
Yes, definitely. Social media is helpful sometimes, but harmful sometimes. It depends on how we use it.
Exactly. It's like food. Good if you eat it in the right amount, bad if you eat too much.
Yes, social media is like digital junk food sometimes.
One advantage many people forget: support groups.
Yes, people who feel lonely or scared can find communities online.
Groups for mental health, new moms, people learning English, people fighting illness, people with the same hobbies.
For example, I joined a small group for new runners. Everyone was supportive.
That's so nice.
When I started running, I felt nervous. I was slow. I couldn't run far. But people in the online group said, "Don't worry, keep going." It made me feel confident.
Social media can make you feel seen in a good way.
Many people find jobs through social media too.
Yes, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook groups.
I once got a freelance job because someone saw my art on Instagram.
That's amazing.
Social media can be a career.
My friend started posting cooking videos on TikTok. Super simple ones. Eggs, rice, salads.
And
One day, her video got 2 million views. Now she teaches cooking online.
wow! See, social media can change lives.
Now, let's go back to disadvantages. Cyberbullying.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's common. People can be rude because they're behind a screen.
They say things they would never say in real life.
And teenagers get hurt the most.
I heard about a girl who posted a simple selfie. Some people commented mean things. She cried the whole night.
That's so sad. Words online feel powerful.
That's why we must use social media kindly.
Another disadvantage, loneliness.
Yes. Even though we see many people online, we might feel alone in real life.
Exactly. We see others hanging out, traveling, having fun, and we think, why not me?
Social media can make life look perfect when it's not.
People show the best 5 minutes of their day, not the other 23 hours.
Yes. No one posts, "I'm sad. I'm stressed. My room is messy. I'm tired."
But those things are real too. Real life is not Instagram.
Real life is messy, noisy, funny, quiet, stressful, beautiful, all together. Social media also helps people learn about global issues.
Yes, health, safety, environment, charities, important causes.
People can share information quickly.
I once saw a family who lost their home. People shared the story on Facebook. In 2 days, they received thousands of donations.
That's powerful. Social media can do good things. But let's be honest, social media wastes time.
Oh yes, a lot of time.
You scroll and scroll and scroll.
And suddenly, it's 2 hours later.
Time thief! Once I was watching memes and almost missed my dentist appointment.
You were late because of memes?
Yes, I told the dentist traffic was bad, but really, I was laughing at a cat video.
So, I think the main point is balance.
Yes, social media is good and bad.
It depends on how we use it.
Exactly. Social media is like fire. It can cook your food or burn your house.
That's the perfect example. Here are some simple ideas.
Tip 1. Set a time limit. Don't scroll forever.
Tip 2. Follow positive people, not negative ones.
Tip 3. Don't compare yourself to others.
Tip 4. Take breaks. 1 day a week, no social media.
Tip 5. Don't believe everything you see.
Tip 6. Use social media to learn something new. One weekend, I turned off my social media. No Instagram, no TikTok, no YouTube.
Whoa! How did you survive?
Actually, it felt good. I read a book, I cleaned my room, I relaxed.
Maybe I should try that. I deleted TikTok once.
Once? How long did that last?
2 days.
Better than nothing.
One more advantage. Creativity.
Yes, people make videos, art, music, photography.
It brings joy to millions.
Social media lets anyone be a creator.
Social media affects our emotions a lot. It can make us feel happy, sad, jealous, proud, excited, lonely, inspired.
Yes, it touches our heart and mind.
But we must remember, what we see online is not the whole story.
Life outside the screen is more important. So remember everyone, social media is a tool. Use it to grow, use it to connect, use it to learn.
But also protect your heart, protect your mind, and protect your time.
You don't need to be perfect online. You just need to be real.
And real life happens offline.
Thanks for listening today. This was such an interesting topic.
Yes, social media affects all of us, good ways and bad ways.
We hope today's conversation helps you use social media more wisely.
And helps you practice natural English too. Bye.